Now students, I will move on to the part which will show how the earth revolves around the sun and how season change is caused due to the revolution of the earth. Now you see how earth is revolving around the sun. See its motion. It is revolving on its own axis. Okay. Now what happens during summer season? Now students, one thing remember, I let me note it down here. India lies in northern hemisphere. So we will talk of northern hemisphere now. Okay, so let's see what happens during summer in northern hemisphere. Now observe student, at this position the northern side of the earth is tilted towards the sun. The northern side is tilted towards the sun. So this is northern hemisphere. And here, when the earth is in the position of red orbit, what is happening? The earth's tilting, its northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. So the northern hemisphere at this point of time receives the direct sunlight from the sun. It receives direct sunlight. And hence the temperature will rise here in northern hemisphere. And since the temperature is rising in the northern hemisphere, so northern hemisphere is having summer, right? So understood how the tilting of the earth causes the season change, or how the revolution of the earth causes season change. Now let's see what happens during the winter season. Look at this position students. During winter season, you see northern hemisphere is tilted away. It is away from the sun. This is northern hemisphere. And how it is away from the sun, and hence the sun's rays are falling in an oblique or slanted manner here. Sun's rays are not falling directly, it is falling in a slanting manner, or oblique we call it, slanting. Sun's rays are slanted. So what happens? The temperature has to fall. And when the temperature falls, northern hemisphere has got what? Winter season. So in this path of blue line, after crossing the orange line on the orbit, the earth is entering into the line where the temperature falls in the northern hemisphere, and it is having winter season. However, the bottom portion, the southern hemisphere, it is towards the sun and it will be receiving direct sunlight, and southern hemisphere will be having summer season. Now I will show you the Earth's orbit completely once again. You see, this is Earth's orbit. Now when Earth enters this red zone, what happens? The tilting of northern hemisphere is towards sun. Tilting of northern hemisphere is towards sun, and the sun's rays are directly falling on it. And Here in southern hemisphere, the sun's rays are falling in a slanting manner, in an oblique manner. So what happens here? The temperature is more. Here the temperature is less. So northern hemisphere is going to have hot summer and southern hemisphere will have winter. And northern hemisphere will have summer. Okay. Now when earth comes to this blue zone, earth enters this blue zone. See, the tilting of the earth is like this. The northern hemisphere goes away from the sun, and now the sun's rays are directly falling on the southern hemisphere. Hence, southern hemisphere will be having summer season, whereas northern hemisphere it is falling in a slanting manner. So the northern hemisphere would be having winter season. Okay, so this is how the season changes. I will show you the spring season. You see, spring, what happens? The tilting of the northern hemisphere is slowly, southern hemisphere is slowly moving away from the sun, and northern hemisphere is coming towards the sun. So there is a change from winter to summer. And what happens in autumn season? See, the northern hemisphere is slowly moving away from the sun and southern hemisphere is slowly coming towards the sun, facing towards the sun, and hence there is a season change from summer season to winter season in our country, which lies in northern hemisphere. So this is what about the day and night rotation, revolution, and season change. All right.